What's the one skill that can sell snow to a polar bear? It's called marketing. It's the art of getting you to want what you didn't know you needed. And in this video, I'm going to make sure you understand what marketing is in just 2.5 minutes. And the best part is you don't need any upfront knowledge. Let's set the timer and get into it. By definition, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. This basically means that the basis of marketing is to create something awesome that people need and let them know about it. Traditionally, marketing was about the 4 P's: product, promotion, place and price. You can look up the definition for yourself, but this transitioned into the 4 components of marketing: creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging. And the reason is that the components capture the actual dynamic activities that marketing practitioners do. At the center of these components, we then have value, as the whole aim of marketing is to deliver the best possible value to the customer. This value is generally determined by the customer and the change which the offering makes in their life. For this, there's a simple equation: value equals benefits minus the price and the hassle. And this equation should always come out positive to ensure a profitable exchange for the customer. Which leads into the next point. Why is marketing actually important? Well, because it improves people's lives in 2 ways. On one hand, it encourages trade, and the ability to trade makes people's lives better, as the better the marketing of companies is, the more they succeed and grow, which means that more jobs are created, and when more people work, the average wealth per person rises, which then encourages more purchases and so on. And on the other hand, the value delivery function of marketing ensures a better quality of life, but in a broader sense, as when you add all the marketers together who are trying to deliver offerings of greater value to consumers and are effectively communicating that value, consumers are able to make more informed decisions about a wider array of choices, and more choices and smarter consumers equals a better quality of life. And there's 2 ways of doing marketing: traditional and modern. Traditional marketing focuses on stuff like billboards, printed ads, TV and radio, which aims to reach a broader untargeted audience, and the motive behind that is to increase the awareness of the brand. But there are 2 problems with traditional marketing. First, it's like sending a spaceship into space without clear coordinates and then to sit and hope it lands on a planet with water and perfect living conditions. Second, it's super expensive and hard to grow, as there are already very big players paying tremendous amounts of money to be regularly on these channels. Thankfully, with the rise of the internet and social media, there's modern marketing. This type of marketing includes stuff like social media marketing, email marketing, SEO, SEM, PPC marketing, and many other sub-niches. They help you with creating a much more personalized experience for a much more targeted audience, when done correctly, obviously. And this can be paid or organic or both. Overall, modern marketing comes down to not just having a large budget, but it puts the ball back in your possession. And if you want to score, you need to make something out of it. Now that's it. Marketing is actually very simple and everyone can learn and do it. I hope you managed to learn something, and if it was too fast for you, rewatch it again, slow it down and write down some notes. After that, you can check out some of my other YouTube videos, and I think YouTube will throw in a suggestion for you right somewhere here. So, see you soon and peace out.